Until the 19th century, shoes were generally made by hand in small workshops by cobblers. As this footwear was made to a customer's specific order or in a limited quantities, there was no great need for shoemakers to create significant storage space or require adequate ways to protect their goods. However, rapid development of innovative manufacturing processes within the footwear industry soon required good storage for the newly mass-produced product. A shoe storage cupboard, which is also often called a shoe storage cabinet, is a piece of furniture used in a person's home for storing shoes. These cupboards might be made of wood, plastic, metal, or other materials and are most often used in living rooms, closets, and bedrooms. The number of shoes a shoe storage cupboard can hold varies depending on its size. Shoe cupboards tend to be very useful for people who have lots of shoes that are taking up valuable living and storage space in their homes. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our metal frame shoe rack design ideas video for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, please do so by using the links in the video description and on the screen. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Shoe storage cupboards or shelves are normally made in a variety of different ways. Some of these cupboards are designed to serve more than just the purpose of storing shoes in a home. Shoe storage cupboards might be made into benches that open for shoe storage or decorative shelves and tables that have separate cubby holes for shoes on the inside. In closets, shoe storage cupboards are often built into closet organizing systems to make it much easier for people to easily locate the shoes they want to wear. Shoe cupboards also tend to be very useful in bedrooms that are either without closets or have closets without enough room for proper shoe organization. Many people remove their shoes immediately upon entering their homes, and leaving them in plain sight directly beside a door or lined up against a wall might detract from the appearance of a person's living space. A shoe storage cupboard placed directly beside a door or against a wall may be the best option for solving this problem, because it could hide the shoes while still keeping them handy for a person who frequently comes and goes. Many people use bench-style shoe cupboards just inside the doors of their homes, because this type of cupboard can hold shoes while also providing a convenient place for people to sit down while putting their shoes on and taking them off. The most likely place to find a shoe storage cupboard for sale is a furniture store. In addition to furniture stores, shoe cupboards are also custom designed. A custom design might work best for someone who is either trying to match a shoe cupboard to the existing decor of his home, or who cannot find a cupboard for sale that is appropriate size for his needs. Getting a custom-made shoe cupboard is occasionally possible through various furniture stores, but it is sometimes necessary to enlist the services for a furniture maker who is not affiliated with any outside business. A shoe storage cupboard that is custom-made might be more expensive than a ready-made one, but many people still opt for this because there might be a better chance of getting exactly what they need. Shoe racks often come with individual cubes to place the shoes in. You might also see this as a storage pouches or pockets on the rack. Whatever they are, one thing is clear: each shoe has its unique place to go. Cubes are great for those who like knowing each pair of shoes has a specific designation to avoid shoes getting lost or becoming separated on the shoe rack. There is also a limited number of shoe cubes on pouches on the rack, which will inspire you to curb your shoe purchases if that is an issue for you. As an alternative, the shoe rack itself could be hanging, or you could place the shoes on the rack. In the case of the latter, the shoes would be angled at a 45-degree or vertical angle to facilitate storage. Depending on the rack, the hanging method could save you lots of space and allow you to store many more pairs of shoes on it. Flat racks look like shelves on which you place your shoes. You would place the side of the shoe by side on the stand and then pull them out by the heel when you want to retrieve them. Flat racks are by far the most standard option for shoe racks that you will find in retail stores or online stores. People have made creative shoe racks that transcend the boundaries seen here, but the general rules apply. Below are some common types of shoe stands you will see. What types of shoe storage is right for you? Sick of unorganized, messy shoes cluttering up your closet or entryway? Well, you don't have to put up with them anymore. There are a variety of shoe storage options available on the market to suit any kind of living space. From large homes to small apartments, you might actually be surprised at all the different types of shoe rack and shoe cabinet choices out there. You can also make your own pieces at home based on your needs and the proposed location of the shoe storage unit. We will take a look at a few of these in more detail to give you an idea of what you can buy to solve your shoe storage issues. Most of these products aren't that expensive, so rest assured your shoe storage solution won't break the bank even if your shoe cabinet might. Number 1. Regular shoe cabinet. 12 to 30 pairs. Some regular cabinets are designed to be a shoe storage cabinet on the inside. Adjusting the height of shelves would help to accommodate the different size of shoes such as boots, high heels, and men's shoes. Some have air holes for ventilation so shoes don't get musty. The best thing about the cabinet is that it is an attractive piece of furniture that looks like a regular cabinet but functions as shoe storage. You can even put decorative items like a vase or photo frames on the top. Number 2. Tilt out or pull down shoe cabinet. 16 to 36 pairs. If you have a lot of shoes, pull down or tilt out shoe cabinet is suitable for organizing your shoes and keeping them off the floor or giving you more room in your closet. It holds more shoes than the regular shoe cabinet of the same size, usually 16 to 36 shoes depending on the number of drawers or shoe sizes. Also, tilt-out type is slimmer than regular shoe cabinet, which makes a great option if you want to place the cabinet in a narrow hallway. Number 3. Over-the-door shoe hanger, 12 to 36 pairs. The over-the-door shoe hanger is a simple but effective way to store many shoes neatly. It requires no assembly and simply hangs over a standard door or closet rod. Most of this type of storage has 24 pockets and you can store up to 24 shoes, but each pocket may hold only one shoe. The pocket protects them from dust and damage. Number 4. Shoe bench, 5 to 10 pairs. Shoe bench is incredibly handy for installing in your entryway to put away shoes as soon as you come indoors from work or walking the dog. You can also sit on it to put shoes on and take them off. Usually benches require assembly, but they are very simple. Number 5. Under the bed shoe storage, 6 to 12 pairs. Do you need more space for shoe storage? You can utilize the extra space under your bed. Under the bed shoe storage with 4 rolling coasters allows you to slide it easily out from under the bed and back again when you're done. It holds 6 pairs of shoes, is very lightweight for easy maneuverability and very easy to assemble. Another option for underbed shoe storage is a bag type. It has clear plastic cover with compartments to store up to 12 pairs of kids and adult shoes. Your family's shoes won't get dusty no matter how long you store them. Shoe shelves will look like a short bookshelf, allowing you to lay your shoes on 3, 4 or 5 available shelves. You can go high, of course, depending on the number of shoes you have. Since shelving units are common, you can find a size that fits your needs anywhere you go. You could also build shelves at home if you'd like a DIY endeavor. If you don't have that many shoes and want to be able to store your shoe rack easier, a folding shoe rack will do the trick. These racks have hinges in the joints that let you fold the rack flat or into itself. If you want to transport your shoe rack in a car, it would be best to get one that lets you save as much space with it as possible during transportation. Folding racks are best for small living spaces since you can set this shoe furniture away if necessary to use that space for other purposes. Otherwise, a folding rack functions much like a bookshelf when in use, letting you keep your shoes together and organized with ease. A metal mesh rack is another fine option to hold your shoes. The metal racks tend to be more durable than wooden ones, letting you keep the same rack for years to come. A mesh rack provides no functional difference from, say, a wooden shelving unit other than that they provide a different aesthetic. A sleek, polished metal rack offers a lavish look to your bedroom or closet while keeping your shoe collection under control. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting metal frame shoe storage design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.